Hello, ABG46 here. I'm making another video tutorial dedicated to informationleak.com. Now my last tutorial was a little bit boring, so I'm going to try to make this one a little bit better and faster. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is, well, the only thing we're going to do is using command prompt. Now these are command prompt hacks. Now, what we're going to do here is I'm going to teach you how to create accounts, how to delete accounts, and how to add passwords, how to change passwords to accounts, and how to bypass web filtering. Why? Because some people want to know how to do this. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to type in net user. Oops, I put net users. My bad, I can't type today. So you type in net user. It should give you all of this stuff. Tells you all the accounts that are there. You know what? Let me do this so it could be easier and you won't get distracted. Alright. You know what? Let's make the color a little bit brighter. Color, oh, there we go. Okay, first thing you're going to do is type in net user. Now it should give you all the accounts. 1 to 3 is the example that I'm using here. And let's say first we want to add an account. Alright, so what we're going to do is type in net user, whoops, clear screen, net user, and we put the name that we want. I want to make it test space / add, and it should say the command completed successfully. Now let me write it down here. You put here, let's shorten it, TM for the name, and space / add. Now if you don't do space / add, let me show you what happens. Net user, let's test again, but no space. It should give you this telling you that the command was wrong, and redo it. Alright, so this is how you add an account. Alright, now that we know how to add accounts, let's learn how to delete them. Now what we're going to do is type in net user, and we're going to type in the name of the account, so it's test, sorry, let me put TM for the name, / delete, space / delete. So let's see, we have a user. Alright, let me show you that it's there. See, it says right here, it says guest test is right here. Alright, let me show you. Net user, test, space / delete. Sorry, I can't type today. And it should say the command completed successfully. Now let's clear the screen, and we type in net user again. It should not be there, and it's not. Just while I'm doing this, let me delete the other one. 1, 2, 3 / delete. Deleting this one because I no longer need it. I was using it for something else. Okay, now that we know how to do this, let's learn how to add a password. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put net user and then space *. You're going to put the name net user. First let's add one. 1, 2, 3 / Alright, we have one. So what we're going to do is net user, and we put the name 1, 2, 3, then the star. Now I should tell you, type the password for the user. I'm going to type the password as 1, 2, 3. Whoops, 2, 3. Password did not match. Okay, this is a good example for the thing that I'm going to tell you. Now, if you type in your password for the user, it will not show you the password you type, and if you type it wrong, it'll say the password does not match, and it'll give you another chance to type it. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And if it did work, it should say command completed successfully. Now that we know how to put in a password, let's learn how to become an administrator. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put net local group right here. You put in net local group, I said, and it should give you all the groups here. Now, the second thing you're going to do is that you're going to choose which group you want to belong to, and we want to belong to administrators. So we put in this, we put that. Alright, so what we're going to do is net local, sorry, local group administrators, Sorry, I can't type today for some reason. And then you put the name. Let's say 123 space / add, and it should say administrators. I'm telling you, I can't type today. I'm misspelling. Okay, let's do this. Net user. Oh, net. I'm sorry, I'm messing up. Net local group administrators. It should be correct. Now you put in your user 123 add space / add, and it should say that the command was done successfully. I'm very sorry I can't type. So what we want to do here is we're gonna use this command, net local group administrators, to see if you are in there. Now it should give you the members 123 AB administrator user etc. These are all the people that are administrators. Now, why do you want to be an administrator? Because you have administrative powers. Now, let's clear this up. Okay. Now, the next thing is changing passwords. Let's say I want to change someone's password. So we put in net user, the name, 123, and then this again. Why this? Because you can use this to change a password and even give a password. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it to 666. 666. If you want to, you can log off and try to do this, and it'll show you. Once again, we put net local groups and then the name space / add for those of you who didn't get to see it because it's too small. Now, remember that you're using net user star, the name. This will change and add a password. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is ping. Now, this is what some people are waiting for. Now, this is how to bypass a web filter. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to type in ping and then the name of the website. So let's say I want to ping something that will be blocked in the school or that will be blocked at home. So we're going to put a shareproxy.com, and it should give you the IP. It'll come up with all of this stuff, and so when we put ping, the name of the address, and that's it. Let me open up my Firefox here so I can show you an example. Now, once you get this, all you're gonna need is this number, which is which mine came out to be 69.10.36.13. Really, that's all you're gonna need. Now, there is another way to get the IP, but I don't think it is able to bypass this. If you're looking for passing web filters at school or hacking school, you might see someone do this, trace a T, and they'll put a name, shareproxy.com, and it'll do the same thing, get you the IP, but many people say that this is for tracing, when of course it's going to be tracing because there's a way of tracing it. Now, by the way, this is the information leak webpage. Visit it if you can. If you can't, then it doesn't matter. Now, right here we have the IP. Let me type it down. Now, 69.36.13. Now, when you have this, you type it up here, and it should take you to the website. Why? Because that's its IP, that's where it's located. You can get to any website through its IP. Now, this is ABG46 doing a video tutorial for informationleak.com. Thank you for watching. I guess this is it. Goodbye.